Hi. Hey guys, I'm doing a tropical eye with some greens, some blue, purple. Getting it, getting it, getting it. I was going out to a party, so I wanted to do something fun. I ran out of my eyebrow pencil, so here I'm just using Anastasia Sultry, and I'm using, I believe it was Twig, the color. And then I do Louise Base on the eyes, lip injection extreme. This is Midori by Sugarpill. Loves it. This green is identical to the green that's in the Crown Case palette. Or the Box of Crowns palette. So, I don't know, take with that what you will. If you have one, maybe you don't need the other. I don't know. Just thought I'd let you know, because I did try to use one of them directly over top of the other, and it was like the same color. As you can see here, I did also add in some yellow. I wanted it to be super bright and have those tropical tones to it. So, and then the purple, I just blended out with the green. Pretty easy. How's everyone been doing? What have you guys been up to? I've been doing really well. This month has been a turning point for me. I've been going out with my family a lot to local events or shopping. I've been just doing what I miss, being with my family and going out. Most of the time, I just like to stay at home. And then today, I had a photo shoot, and it's been years since I modeled for someone. So I thought it would be good for me to feel beautiful again. So I'm feeling like this month has been a pivotal turning point in my mental health for the better. This is the Dream Urban Cover Foundation by Maybelline. I do like this foundation. Over top of it, I used Jeffree Star's Magic Star Powder. And normally with I hadn't seen the friend that this party was for in like a really long time, and she was like a sister to me, so I knew I was gonna cry. Most of the time, whenever I use like my Coty Airspun, I don't get any cry marks. However, with the Jeffree Star powder, I had 2 massive streaks going down my face. So I just want you to know about that. I'll say that in my review too. Obviously I'm going to review it, but I don't know if it has anything to do with the powder or not. I should probably try it again, but I was also bawling too, so take that into consideration. And then my upper lip also creased, which has never happened to me because I get my lips filled, obviously. So my lip philtrum is really curved. I don't know, whatever. The contour was too dark for me, and I didn't want to get up to get my lighter one, so I just put foundation over top of it. So it's layer of foundation, contour, another layer of foundation for added coverage, and because as you can see by my forehead, it just tones it down. Now, all I'm doing is warming up the outer perimeter of my face so that I don't look like a flat sheet of paper. So I'm just warming that up. I used butter bronzer here. I haven't finished my eyes yet because I'm doing glitter. So I don't want to get any powder or anything on the glitter. This is Juvia's Place Saharan Blush 2, the really soft matte pink. You guys might know I go crazy on the highlight, so I like to do a little bit of a brighter cheek so that it can peek through my highlight, and then I go around my highlight and I blend it with the pink to ensure that it's not stark. So this, I'm using Jeffree Star Sarcophagus. This is my base highlight. I love it though. And then I go in with the usual Danessa. Oh no, actually, my mistake. This was Crown Case Glowcaine. Like instead of cocaine, but Glowcaine. And I put the name of it down below. I did use the Jeffree Star setting powder with Morphe by, I should say, actually, that's how you say it, Morphe by Jeffree Star. It should be Jeffree Star by Morphe, whatever. But I think they're just turning it into Morphe X Jeffree Star, like, stylistically. So, whatever, don't like it. I find the scent okay, but the sprayer to me is, like, so fine that I didn't feel it at all. I really enjoy the Urban Decay setting spray. I like that I can douse my face in it and really feel it. So that's that on that. This is me using the Regina George Skinfrost to blend out my highlight. The trick to a highlight that you don't have to Photoshop is loose highlighter. By the way, it's loose highlighter with a setting spray. I totally forgot to say that, and I could go back and edit it out, but YOLO. I got eyeshadow in my eye here. and it fucked me. It hurt so bad. I love this palette though. The colors are so nice. If you've seen my review of it. That's me getting hella offended by a fruit fly. This fucking fruit fly has been in my room now. I can't get it to go. I've tried killing it. I swear to God, I've clapped it like 4 times. The motherfucker won't die. Like, I think there's more than one at this point. I have no fucking food in my room because that's gross. I have no fucking garbage. Like, and this fucking stupid puta will not get out of my fucking room. And it was landing on my face and just escalating me. I was pissed. I was at 10. See, there you go again. See, I'm getting mad at it again. I slapped it with the mirror. Fuck. And I used the NYX Glitter Primer for this glitter to stick to. Yeah, like there's not much else to say. I love the NYX Glitter Primer. What you want from me? You might see me using a lot of the same stuff in my videos. I'm not one to... When I find what I like, I kind of use it for a long time, and I don't like to fuck around because shit hits the fan, and that's case in point, the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer, or powder. You know, wasn't feeling it. So that is Jeffree Star Diamond Wet Supreme Frost, I believe, on the inner corner. I dampened my brush and then used it. But it was a little too dark, and I would then go back in with my Glowcaine by the Crown Case. Adding some more yellow to really just blend everything. I was really enjoying playing with color. It's not often that I do these because I like to kind of blend in when I go out. But I was going to a friend's house. So I knew that I could wear something scandalous and get away with it. I don't know why I'm showing such a long clip of me doing mascara, but whatever. This is Jeffree Star Christmas Cookie, and then I put Jeffree Star I'm Nude in the middle, and then I topped it at the very end with Diamond Juice by Jeffree Star. And I really enjoyed that combo. There's that fucking fly again. Anyway, guys, I hope you have an awesome day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.